Hello YouTube. Today we got the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh torque key wrenches. We got the half an inch drive, and we got the 3/8 drive here. Gotta say, these are the I have a few years with this one. This was the new it's not new, but it's newer than this one. This one we had it for years. It's been on the family for quite a while. It's a Pittsburgh brand. It works just like a champ. Doesn't get any better than this. Here's a little lever for the adjustment, how much torque you want to put on it. It works just fine. As you can see, it does come with the case. Both of them come with the case. I would definitely recommend these to anybody that needs them, that doesn't use them every day. This is more like if you use them every once in a while. Obviously not for heavy use. But it does work. I had these for this one. I had it for a few years now, and this one's newer. I just forgot how long ago I got it, but it's been a while. This is the 3/8. I mean, these work perfectly fine. As you can see, there's the numbers right there. You can just twist it. You loosen this nut, you can lock it, unlock it, and then when you're done putting your settings in there, you can lock it, and it doesn't move anymore. But yeah, they're in good shape. Like I said, these don't get used every day. They'll get used every once in a while. Had absolutely no problems with them. I usually use them for when I rotate tires. Just this is what I use for the torque key. Yeah, this is my quick review on these two torque key wrenches from Harbor Freight. And they are Pittsburgh brand. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the little bell icon. Thank you.